Hello boys, how are you? Good afternoon. Assalamu alaikum. Today we start our lesson in computer, the nature of technology, and then our computers. First of all, what are the uses of computer? We use computer in many devices, and we use computer in every field of life. For example, when you go to market, you can see computer on the shop, in the hospital, in the bank, even every place where someone is doing work, it must use computer because it give us accurate result, and it work it do work with specific time and more accurately, and it complete in short period of time. For example, computer are all around us. Okay, computer are in our phone. Okay, we use phone also. Here motherboard we use inside the our phone, our tabs, okay, our laptops, and computer can help us to learn and do our work. For example, now we can right now I am using a laptop to teach, and you are using a laptop to learn. Okay, and also first of all we have so many big dictionary, and now with the electronic dictionary we use computer to work. Okay, so in education it is help us to learn new things. Okay, and we need to learn use computer safely and in way that it make the best place. For example, we don't we don't put water near the our computer, because if water go to the motherboard, okay, then it will damage. We should use computer carefully, okay, and safely. And here in computer, here we use input input devices, output devices, and here we use also mouse, processor inside the CPU, and wireless. Some mouse are wireless, some with wires, and screen. This is monitor. This is called monitor. Okay, and this is keyboard, and this is mouse, and this is wire. This is wire, and this is wire. Now many mouses are wireless. There is no wire, and many keyboards are wireless. There is no wire, and this is monitor. Okay, now we use computer, but how it work? It start working. We need electricity to start our computer. First of all we plug in the switch. Okay, then we switch on, and then electricity come in our laptop or computer, then it start working. Okay, and this solar panels, we take energy from the sun. Okay, we say this is solar energy that we get from the sun, and also we get energy from the wind as well. Next here, a computer are electric. Why computer are electric? Because we use electricity to work computer. Okay, a device is something people make to do useful task. This is device. What is device? For example, many devices use electricity. For example, in our home, you can count many devices. For example, washing machine, it is work on electricity. Our AC work on electricity. Fans in our home, and microwave oven, and refrigerator. Many things you can see in our home that work on electricity. Okay, many devices or many home appliance, they we use these things to make the our work easier and quick. Okay, and this is a cable, metal, where electricity moves, and this outside, this is insulator, because if we touch this cable, the electricity will come in our hand or our body, okay, then it is dangerous for us, okay, and we will get a shock. We don't touch this cable, okay, because if we touch here or touch here, then it is dangerous for us, okay. Be careful if you are using. And here switch on, look, when we switch on, then here electricity come and this bulb light up, and when we switch off, this bulb off, and then there is no light, okay. Switch on, let the electricity to move, and switch off, stop the electricity, okay. Now what is inside the computer? Inside the computer, this is processor. What this processor? And this is made in the CPU. This is in the CPU, and it is all processing done inside the processor, okay. The processor uses on or off electrical signals. Everything that happen inside the processor is made of on and off electrical signals. Now here you can think some devices are input, some devices are output. Here these are output devices. Output devices that give us output result. For example, here inside when we talk about the parts of the computer, okay, then monitor. Monitor is the main output device that show us result, okay. And something we write, something we calculations, okay, then it, you know, monitor show us our result. And anything we write or do that we see inside the computer, this is we say soft copy. What? Soft copy, that is inside the computer. When we print out the same thing, the result we print out, and this paper, this same information inside the computer, it is called soft copy. When same information come out from the printer, that is called hard copy, okay. That is same things that is print on the paper, and we use printer to print. This is printer, okay. Printer is a output device, okay. Next, speaker. Speaker also output device, because it give us sound, and we use headphone to listen the sound clearly, okay. And here something moves, we use also here. So for example, a computer can make a machine move, and this is a machine that clean the floor, it's also move, and also clean our floors, okay boys. This is our topic today, input device, output device. Next lesson we will study input devices, okay. And here another thing that I show you, here some parts of the computer. For example, this is monitor, keyboard, and this is speaker, and this is mouse, and this is CPU. And this is CPU is abbreviation central processing unit. What we say? Central processing unit. And here inside it is a motherboard and many ICs inside it, okay. And here these some words, vocabulary words that I write, that you must be right. Number one, monitor, you read correctly and then write on the line. Keyboard, okay. Mouse, speaker, CPU. These words you must be right here and also memorize. And here down 5 words, here input, output, device, screen, and wireless, okay. These words you must be right and read carefully. See you. Bye bye.